Hi, this is Muhammad Rafiq. Welcome to my tech channel. If you new here, make sure click that subscribe button and enable bell icon for getting notifications for my future video uploads. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to delete all the emails or multiple emails with your folders in Gmail. Let me show you how to do it. For that, just open Gmail account and inbox. There is lot of emails. About 21,000 emails are here. And if I go down there, I can see the space is very low, 72% full. So I have to delete my emails which is unwanted. So I want to delete the emails under the social folder. There are also above 14,000 emails are there. So for deleting emails, just tick this box and it will select all the emails on this page only. You can see here all 50 conversations on this page are selected. So if you want to delete all the 14,000 emails, just click on this one, select all, and now it's 14 emails are selected and click on delete. Now it's asking for confirm bulk action. So just click OK. Now it's started deleting. Now you can see some emails are still not deleted. Just select again and click delete. Now this all emails went to trash folder, so you have to clear from there also. Just click on trash and select this and click on empty trash. Now click OK. Now again there is a lot of emails. Just click again the select and select all the emails and click on delete forever. Click OK. Now it's deleting all the emails. Now it's deleted. After that go to social folder. There you can see, just select all and click delete. Now the folder is empty. After that go to trash again and select all and click empty. Now that's it. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If this video was helpful for you, please like the video, and if you have any queries, please comment below the video. I will look into it.